Are you tired of dragging yourself through your mornings, fueled by nothing but black coffee and sheer willpower? Well, it's time for a change. Today, we're going to unlock the secret to an energized morning. A healthy, power-packed breakfast. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 key nutritional strategies to completely transform your morning routine, ensuring you start every day on the right foot. This is just the start of a journey towards a more vibrant and healthier life. Have you ever heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, it's not just an old wives' tale. Multiple studies have backed up this claim, showing a correlation between skipping breakfast and an increased risk of several health issues. For instance, a 2019 study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that those who routinely skip breakfast had an 87% higher risk of cardiovascular-related death compared to those who consumed breakfast regularly. Aside from long-term health risks, skipping breakfast can also lead to short-term effects, such as lack of concentration, lower energy levels, and even weight gain. With a nutritious breakfast, you can fuel your body with the energy it needs to perform optimally throughout the day. So, what exactly makes a breakfast both healthy and energizing? The answer lies in balancing key nutrients. Complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, proteins for satiety, fibers for smooth digestion, and healthy fats for absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Now, let's dive into the specifics and discover how we can incorporate these nutrients into our breakfast routines. Tip 1. Prioritize proteins. We often associate protein with lunch and dinner meals. But, including protein in your breakfast can be a game changer. Proteins not only keep you satiated, reducing the urge for mid-morning snacking, but also help in maintaining and building muscle mass. Try adding Greek yogurt, eggs, cottage cheese, or protein shakes to your breakfast for a protein kick. Tip 2. Embrace healthy fats. Don't let the word fat scare you away. Not all fats are created equal. Some fats, known as healthy fats, are crucial for your brain health and help in absorbing certain vitamins. Additionally, they give you a sense of fullness, curbing your appetite. Avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, and nuts are some excellent sources of healthy fats. Tip 3. Load up on fiber. A high-fiber diet is beneficial in several ways, from aiding in digestion to reducing the risk of heart diseases. In terms of weight management, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2012 found that a higher fiber intake was linked with lower body weight. Foods rich in fiber include fruits, vegetables, oats, whole grain bread, and cereals. Tip 4. Add some color. Ever noticed how colorful foods tend to be the healthiest? That's because colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants and vital nutrients. Berries are one of the most potent sources of antioxidants, and are also high in fiber. Adding them to your breakfast not only boosts the nutritional value of your meal but also adds a natural sweetness without the added sugars. Tip 5. Hydrate. We often forget that staying well hydrated is a key part of a healthy diet. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining bodily functions, including digestion and nutrient absorption. Kick off your day with a glass of water or a hydrating food like cucumbers or watermelon. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of a healthy, energy-packed breakfast, let's go over some specific meal ideas. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't be afraid to mix things up and try something new. Protein pancakes. Combine whole wheat flour, protein powder, baking powder, and almond milk to create a batter. Cook as you would with regular pancakes and top off with a sprinkle of chia seeds and your favorite berries. This dish is a delicious fusion of protein, complex carbs, and antioxidants. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, nuts, and fruits like bananas or berries in a glass. Not only is this parfait visually appealing, but it also contains a healthy dose of protein, healthy fats, and fibers. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on a slice of whole grain bread. You can also add a boiled egg or some smoked salmon for extra protein. This meal is a perfect balance of all key nutrients, complex carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and fibers. Oatmeal with nuts and berries. Cook oats in almond milk or water, and top with a handful of nuts and berries. Oats are a great source of fiber, while nuts and berries provide healthy fats and antioxidants, respectively. Green smoothie. Blend spinach or kale with fruits like bananas or apples, and add some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutritional punch. This smoothie is a quick and easy way to load up on fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats in the morning. Implementing these strategies might take some adjustment at first, but the payoff will be more than worth it. An energizing breakfast is not just about eating the right foods but also about setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination, and every small step counts. So, join us on this journey towards a healthier life, starting with an energizing breakfast tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Here's to living a healthy and vibrant life.